Jake, what time is it?
20 to 4.
20 to 4? No, it's Rise of the Resistance time. So yeah, 20 to 4, we were boarding group 72. It was actually called about 20 minutes ago. Let's go check it out. Photobomb, always a photobomb.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Okay, let's go!
This is your final call report. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum, now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Said it would protect you. Yes, military training.
As you pull forward,
I like it. Just think if you wave, they might wave back.
the time to document your capture is past, the time to move has begun. Let's go.
I waved at them and they moved their heads.
Jake, what did you do? We've been captured. What did you do? What did you do?
Jake's fault.
I think it's Jake's fault.
Look at them eyes.
We've been captured. Was it you?
What?
Oh! You're like Edna Mode.
Those colors to memory, as they are of vital importance to your interrogation. Now, while you wait for this cell to open, I strongly recommend that you stand there quietly and contemplate your misplaced allegiance with the Resistance. You're not a very discreet spy.
Laughing at Eloise, it's not funny.
Prisoners are secure.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, this wasn't a prisoner.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods just below us. Wait, what are you doing? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about to...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir, he came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him at Sector 4.
should have waited for it.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So it is Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Bless our heart.